The following day.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're fine and staying safe. As you saw by the title of today's video, I'm going to cook the mukimo that I prepared, and I'm going to start by adding a half cup full of cooking oil in the sufuria. Later on, some chopped onions, which I'm going to let it cook for around a minute. I will now add 1.5 full chopped tomatoes. After the tomatoes have already cooked for a minute, I'm now going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and later on add some chopped capsicum, and letting it cook for around a minute after I've put a cup full of water. I'm now going to add the 6 pieces of mukimo that my mother and I prepared. Gently smash and letting it cook for around 4 minutes. The meal is now ready to be served. Kusafisha nayo. Anyway, this is what is left after I have put all the other 6 pieces of mukimo that we are going to eat in the sufuria. This is the part that I've been waiting the most, and now that the meal is ready, let me serve.
One hour later.
So this is what I'm going to eat my mukimo with. Some goat meat. It's soup, or what we call kadhufu, tomatoes, onions, and I'll sprinkle a little bit of coriander and carrots. on top. So mom, kindly do the honors and tell me how the meal is.
Thank you. Have a taste of it.
Okay. So delicious. So delicious. Taste of the soup. And also some goat meat. This is just perfect. Mom, I just want to thank you. If it wasn't for you, this wouldn't have been possible. And let's do this another time. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't watched part 1 where I did the preparation, I will link it down below. And thank you so much for watching, and kindly ensure to subscribe and like, share with your family and friends, and turn on the post notification bell in order to not miss out in any of my cooking videos. And with that, see you guys in the next video.